Good morning, everyone. I really got to see someone and bringing you the insights for today. No longer London and New York session. I'll just give you the insights for the entire thing, and that will be it. So, no medium impact news, no high impact news, no low impact, no impact news, only low impact news, and some news just to take a look at. Those ones have been relegated to low impact right now. To the time where the German trade balance was on high impact news, later medium impact news, and now below impact news. So just take note of this. Came out a bit less than expectation. And also we have the existing stills and high impact news as well. That related to medium impact news and right now low impact news by 3 o'clock. That is when that will be released. And then over to the technicals. So we have Euro USD here. In the long term, yeah, sites we have not really retraced what was done on Friday. So this bleed on Friday, we are still trading inside the range that I marked out, this swing low and April's low. So that is the range that we are trading in. And we are starting to push slightly upward from 1.5 to seem like we are going to attempt 1.57, which is very unlikely because this market is still bearish. But it is something just to take note of. And right now in row, I was looking at this zone, swing low from yesterday, swing high from yesterday. I thought it might reduce its price. That's why I didn't trade it. Right now, it just seems to have resisted price and we are trading downward. But Euro does have some support that you should look out for. The VPOC and VWAP are now on the same level. Something to look out for. If we do bounce here at around 1.54, will be where we're looking to enter. If we do bounce at VPOC and VWAP here. So we have the day open and the previous day open and semi open as well. It has been acting as support for a while now. And lastly, we have this low volume low to the downside, which you see better if I do something like this. So we have this low volume load area, which is the last bit of hope if we are going to long at all Euro USD for today. But we do come through and we go through it. The downside possibilities are very, very high. That is it. One thing to just note is that we are trading inside the range. The current days value is still inside the prior days value, but we did went up to something to take note of. So my bounce, that is what I'm still expecting. So for gold as well, gold is also bearish, and we've not even recovered a lot of this. And I want these two lines from previous week, this low from here and this low from there. And I said if we go above this, we'll be in short term retracement. But we have been resisting, have been having resistance to higher prices along this first one, around 43, 51, 290. So we had the resistance yesterday. We went lower. We reached it this morning as well. We reacted very nicely. So downside possibilities are high on this one as well. Where I want us to just breach really this morning is VWAP. I'm going to go to VWAP like we are doing right now in the beginning of session. I'll start trying to look for short. But this one is strategy. I don't like to short the market that has been going down for a while. I should have caught it here, but I wasn't confident of it, especially with this new candle open. Maybe I could have done better and caught it from here, but I don't like trading against such a bullish candle. And so the downside possibility on gold is very high. Maybe a short below value should still be good. But mostly I'm waiting. I expect a fake of value. I expect this thing to seem like it old during session open and around this 1 hour. So it just seems like it's old and then flush down. That's what I'm expecting. So people may be trapped. So that's my suggestion on gold. A short really. But we do hold and a legit hold above 3 4335 here, maybe what a scalp long, but this one will be very fast, just a scalp, no holding for a long time. Maybe scalp 80% of your position, leave the remaining 20% if it runs, so let's break even, leave 20% if it runs, if it doesn't, just stop that on this one. But mostly downside is more possible here. And it might not even be London, but I'll be looking very closely because I've missing a lot of trade because I was trying to time the market perfectly recently. So for Nasdaq, this one has been recovering very well. And we did test that swing point that was to flip to resistance yesterday. And we reacted nicely on the 1 hour. So we switch to the 1 hour right now, see the reaction from the swing point, raise downward. And today as well, we are approaching it again. So this one is actually very tricky, a bit tricky. Since I was a very bullish asset before. We have a double top here. It's a pattern that I expect to form before the session open, especially. Although in session open, we'll just weak it, then we'll continue lower. But if we do claim above this line here, I'll consider us in a short-term retracement. I could retrace higher. As Nasdaq is fast, we are expected to even retrace fast. And we're going to scalp it long during the regular trading hour open. So currently you can see we are both up as well. That's a place where I want to short at the moment. I don't want to short even before the regular trading hour, only after. So with that reaction rate making the double top, the target of course will be the slow volume node area from yesterday, which I have marked out here. I expected this may hold, this may not, but this will be the ideal target for shorts. And that is it for this morning, guys. Good luck and good trades. I'll see you guys later. Bye for now.